Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe. Can you pass me the salt?
Yes, sure. Here you go. No, sorry. I can't reach it right now.
Can I borrow your pen for a moment?
Of course, here you are. No, I need it at the moment.
Can you help me with my homework?
Yes, I'd be happy to help. Sorry, I'm busy right now.
Can I have a glass of water?
Absolutely, let me get that for you. No, the water dispenser is broken.
Can you remind me of the meeting time?
Sure, the meeting is at 2 p.m. No, I don't have it in my schedule.
Can I use your phone to make a quick call?
Sure thing, go ahead. No, my phone battery is dead.
Can you hold the door for me?
Of course, no problem. No, my hands are full right now.
Can I have some more cookies?
Yes, help yourself. No, we're out of cookies.
Can you pick me up from the station?
Sure thing, what time? No, I have an appointment then.
Can you turn off the lights before leaving?
Sure, I'll take care of it. No, I'm already running late.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Yes, there's a nice Italian place down the street. No, I'm not familiar with this area.
Can I use your computer to check my email?
Of course, go ahead. No, I'm using it right now.
Can you watch my bag for a moment?
Sure, I'll keep an eye on it. No, I have to run to the restroom.
Can you give me a ride to the airport tomorrow?
Yes, I can do that. No, I have to work.
Can I have a piece of your cake?
Sure, help yourself. No, I'm saving it for later.
Can you send me the document again?
Sure, I'll resend it right away. No, I'm not at my computer.
Can you teach me how to cook pasta?
Yes, it's quite easy. I'll show you. No, I'm not a good cook myself.
Can I sit here?
Yes, go ahead. No, this seat is taken.
Can you recommend a good book?
Sure, have you read To Kill a Mockingbird? No, I'm not much of a reader.
Can you help me find my keys?
Sure, let's look together. No, I'm busy right now.
Can you cover for me while I'm out?
Yes, I can handle things here. No, I have my own tasks to computer.
Can I have a moment of your time?
Of course, what do you need? No, I'm in a rush right now.
Can you pass the remote control?
Sure, here you go. No, I'm watching something important.
Can I have a slice of pizza?
Yes, help yourself. No, it's the last slice and I want it.
Can I have a slice of pizza?
Sure, have you seen The Shawshank Redemption? No, I haven't watched movies in a while.
Can I use your umbrella?
Yes, it's right by the door. No, I need it for myself.
Can you help me move this table?
Sure, let's do it together. No, it's too heavy for me alone.
Can I change the channel?
Yes, go ahead. No, I'm watching this show.
Can you lend me some money?
Sure, how much do you need? No, I'm tight on budget this month.
Can you remind me to call my mom later?
Of course, I'll remind you. No, I might forget myself.
Can I have some of your fries?
Yes, feel free to take some. No, I'm hungry and want to finish them.
Can you help me find a job?
Yes, I can give you some tips. No, I'm not good at job searching.
Can you wake me up at 7 a.m.?
Sure, I'll set an alarm for you. No, I'll be asleep myself.
Can I borrow your car for the weekend?
Sure, just be careful with it. No, I need it for my own plans.
Can you check if the windows are closed?
Sure, I'll go check. No, I'm not in that part of the house.
Can I have a look at your notes?
Yes, here they are. No, I prefer to keep them private.
Can you pick up some milk on your way home?
Sure thing, I'll grab some. No, I'm already on my way home.
Can I use your charger?
Yes, it's on the table. No, my phone needs charging too.
Can you help me practice my presentation?
Yes, let's go through it together. No, I'm not good at public speaking.
Can you recommend a good place to hike?
Sure, there's beautiful trail nearby. No, I don't know any good hiking spots.
Can I have a test of your soup?
Yes, it's delicious, isn't it? No, I'm not sure if you'll like it.
Can you tell me the time?
Sure, it's 3:30 p.m. No, my watch is broken.
Can I borrow your jacket?
Yes, it's in the closet. No, I'm wearing it myself.
Can you water the plants while I'm away?
Of course, I'll take care of it. No, I'm not good with plants.
Can you show me how to tie a tie?
Sure, it's not too difficult. No, I'm not sure how to do it myself.
Can I have a napkin, please?
Yes, here you go. No, we're out of napkins.
Can it rain tomorrow?
Yes, it's possible. No, it's unlikely.
Can you win the lottery?
Yes, there's a chance. No, it's highly improbable.
Can she get the job?
Yes, it's possible with her qualifications. No, there's strong competition.
Can you pass the exam without studying?
Yes, but it's unlikely. No, studying is necessary.
Can they find a solution to the problem?
Yes, it's possible with teamwork. No, it seems challenging.
Can it snow in April?
Yes, it's possible in some regions. No, it's unusual but not impossible.
Can she make it to the meeting on time?
Yes, if there's no traffic. No, if there are delays.
Can we catch the train if we hurry?
Yes, it's possible if we run. No, if we miss it.
Can you hear the music from here?
Yes, if it's loud. No, it's too far away.
Can she become president on day?
Yes, it's possible with determination. No, it's a challenging position to attain.
Can we see the stars tonight?
Yes, if the sky is clear. No, if it's cloudy.
Can you feel the tension in the room?
Yes, it's palpable. No, it seems calm.
Can she become a famous singer?
Yes, if she works hard and gets noticed. No, if she doesn't pursue it seriously.
Can they finish the marathon?
Yes, if they train consistently. No, if they don't prepare adequately.
Can it be warmer tomorrow?
Yes, there's a chance of a temperature rise. No, if the forecast predicts otherwise.
Can you find your way back home?
Yes, if I follow the map. No, if I'm lost.
Can it be a misunderstanding?
Yes, it's possible. No, if the evidence suggests otherwise.
Can she overcome her fear of heights?
Yes, with therapy and exposure. No, if it's deeply ingrained.
Can they finish the puzzle in time?
Yes, if they work together efficiently. No, if it's too complex.
Can we make it to the airport before the flight?
Yes, if there's no traffic. No, if we encounter delays.
Can they reach the summit of the mountain?
Yes, if weather condition permit. No, if it's too dangerous.
Can we go on a trip this weekend?
Yes, if we plan it in advance. No, if we have prior commitments.
Can we finish the project on time?
Yes, if we work efficiently. No, it's doubtful given the time constraints.
Can you fix the problem with the computer?
Yes, if I identify the issue. No, if it requires professional assistance.
Can it be repaired?
Yes, if the damage is not severe. No, if it's irreparable.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more lessons. Thank you for watching.